Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I'll be completing the customization of my SBL Blythe French trench. You've hopefully already seen part 1, released last week, which shows the beginning of her face sculpting. I've been working on her face some more, refining the mouth, nose, and her little dimples. As I edit this video, BlytheConUK is exactly 1 month away, and I'm really feeling the crunch. I'm going to keep the voiceover very minimal this week, and will just pop in here and there. You'll see me trying out my own fine grit sandpaper with my new detail sander to help smooth her face before colouring. Now her faceplate is ready to prime and colour, I'm deciding to try installing one of our neck joints, so she'll be able to look up and tilt her head from side to side. Here's the concept art I drew for her. I was just in Berlin, Germany, and I'm keen to make a dirndl outfit. I ended up making a couple things differently, but you'll see she's also getting a little acorn handbag. My patrons already got a little extra video showing how I made these handbags, so check it out if you're interested. Using my usual materials, I set about blushing and detailing her face. I wanted to try adding some very subtle veining on her face. I really love the effect it has, and it gives the impression of transparency to the skin too. I use a sharp blue pencil to very lightly draw them in. I'm using a medical reference picture to help me with the placement. Now that her face is finished, I return to my iPad to sketch out a plan for her backplate artwork. I want to paint a little portrait of her and try out different poses. I moved her to one side when I remembered that she has all that text in the middle of the backplate. I attach new brown eyelashes and get ready to reassemble her, when I'm struck by a desperate desire to sew. At this point, it's been weeks since I've sewed anything, and I'm craving it. I choose a trousers pattern from my Hanan book, and I'm hopeful that they might work out as part of her outfit, so you'll see her wearing them for a while. Our neck joints aren't made for this body type, so I did have to make some modifications to get it to attach securely. As with all customizing, you make these changes at your own risk. Thankfully, I was able to get a neat and secure fit. I'm able to reassemble all her parts and add a sleep eyes cord to the mechanism. I grab some wooden acorns that I paint and later attach one to her pull cord. Finally, I make a start on her outfit. I plan to make the dirndl top from green velvet. Her blouse will be separate, made from cream lightweight cotton. I alter the sleeve of an existing pattern to make them bell-shaped. I then set about mostly hand sewing this lovely blouse. I returned to the dirndl, adding hand embroidery, gathered lace and finishing touches. I made her a pair of leather boots, which fit nicely over some new socks. And that just about wraps up this week. I'll show you the custom eyes that I've given her, and her sweet little acorn handbag. Then show you her final, for now, shots. I want to thank you all for watching, especially my members over on Patreon. I really appreciate all of your support. This was part 2, so please come back next week to see how my blue rabbit custom goes. I might add some things to French Trench if I get a chance, so you'll see them both again next week. Thanks again. Please do leave a like and comment if you enjoy my content, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!